morning everyone, Gina here and welcome back to my channel. So I am right outside of Target. I'm about to take you guys in to share with you guys the deals over at Target. And you know, I don't know about you guys, but waking up this morning was just kind of like a somber feeling, you know, with El Paso, Texas, and then Dayton, Ohio. You know, there's just a lot of bad going on in our world. You know, probably one of the most irritating things about both of these situations is it's like a snap of the finger and we're already talking about gun control. Like, come on, let's let people mourn their families before we start talking politics. So if any of you have been affected to those shootings that have happened in Texas or Ohio, prayers are with you. Also, don't let this be something that makes you scared to like leave your house. You know, get out and do your couponing today. Don't be fearful to, you know, step out of your house and go into a store. You know, life is not meant to be lived in fear. So, you know, I encourage you all, if you are a little hesitant, a little anxious to go out, just, you know, go out. Also, something else that I wanted to bring up to you guys in this video was a comment that I got last week, and I thought it was a comment worth mentioning here because I always kind of throw different topics into my videos because one, I'm not scared of sharing opinions to you guys. I keep it 100% real. And someone, I'm not gonna, you know, expose a name or anything like that, but I got a comment telling me that if I'm a Christian woman, I should not be shopping at Target because they promote homosexuality and transgender. Okay, here's the thing, guys. I shop at Target because of the deals. I don't shop at Target, and I'm not going to not shop at Target because of the politics. Same thing as Chick-fil-A. Just because I go to Chick-fil-A doesn't mean I support anti-gay rights, okay? I go to Chick-fil-A because they have the best chicken sandwich around. So that's why I go to Chick-fil-A, not because of anything political. So I don't want you guys to be, you know, having yourselves be labeled versus on the basis of where you shop. Because here's the thing, Jesus is gonna love me regardless of where I shop. You want to know what Jesus cares about? Jesus cares about if I know him, and I know him. So that's what's getting me into heaven, not me, you know, not shopping at Target. And I feel like that is the problem. That is the root to the problem that is segregating our country, of these like mindsets of, oh, you're not a certain person if you do this or that. Come on, you guys, like, come on. So I just wanted to add that in there. And, you know, just be thankful that we live in a country where we can freely protest, because you want to know what? You go and live in Russia and you start protesting and you're going to get beaten by clubs. So 600 people have been arrested in Moscow for protesting. So just, you know, think about that the next time. I don't know, just be grateful for the country we actually live in. So that's all my rant, and don't feel less of a Christian shopping at Target because I love Target. So now let's go into Target. Hey guys, so my first deal is actually going to be on some Schick Quattro razors. So you can do this on Schick Quattro, or you can do it on Schick Extreme 3, the 8 count. So Schick Quattro razors are priced for $5.99 here at Target, and we have printable $4 off 1 coupons from coupons.com, and you can also send this same coupon to your Target Cartwheel. So if you don't know how to use your Target Cartwheel, I'll have it linked, a video linked below, sharing with you guys how to use Target Cartwheel. It's super easy. So you would end up paying $1.99, and then you can send $1 cash back to Ibotta. You can do this up to 3 times. So after your Ibotta rebate and coupon, makes this just 99 cents, which I think is a really good deal. Starting cost is $5.99. Now you're down to 99 cents. So if you are not signed up for Ibotta, I will have a link below in the description box for you to go ahead and sign up. It's free, and you get bonus money when you submit your first receipt. So this will be a really easy deal to do if you are a first time goer. And now that I'm here, I just want to share with you guys how easy it is to use Target Cartwheel in store. So you want to go ahead and download the Target app, and you're going to see this little barcode, and what you do is you press the barcode and you scan the actual barcode. So I'm going to scan it, and there's going to be a little check mark that says offer saved. So there is a $4 coupon that's going to attach. So I'm going to do this deal twice because I have one printable coupon and one coupon's being sent to my Target Cartwheel. So, and then I'm going to submit $1 back twice. So I'm going to get 2 of them for 99 cents each. So I think this is a really good deal on some razor. You guys, so we have that nice printable $3 off one coupon for Rimmel eye products. So I'm seeing eyeliner priced for $4.49, and that printable $3 off one coupon will make these $1.49. Now, I'm not sure if brow is considered an eye product. If it is, this is only going to be 99 cents. So this is just a way you can go ahead and use this coupon. Alternatively, you could even go for the big eyeshadow palette, which is $7.99. It'll make it $4.99, and the mascaras will be $2.59. So just a few little deals you can do for your $3 coupon. You guys, so we have a really nice deal in select laundry care and household items. Sorry, you guys are blurred. It's going to take a minute to focus. Okay, so when you buy 3 select items, you're going to get a $10 Target gift card. So this breakdown I have for you guys requires no paper coupons. It's all using your Target Cartwheel. So what I want you to pick up is one of the Tide Pods. So this is the 32 pack. So this is the sport one. It's priced for $11.99. Pick up one of the 92 fluid ounce liquids, $11.99, and then pick up one of the Gain Flings. These are the 42 count, $11.99. So you pick up 3 of them for $35.97. Now what's awesome is inside Target Cartwheel there is a $3 off for the Gain Flings, there's a $3 off for the Tide Pods, and a $3 off for the Tide Liquid. So that's going to take $9 off, you guys. This is a killer deal. Okay, so then you're going to pay $26.97 out of pocket, but then you get a $10 Target gift card back, making everything $16.97 or just $5.65 each, which I think is a great deal on some Tides. So you definitely do not want to miss this deal, especially since you don't have to use any paper coupons. It's all using your Target Cartwheels. This is a killer deal. So there is a great sale on the Oscar Mayer Center Cut Bacon here at Target. So they're priced 2 for $10 or $5 each. So if you are a low carber ketoer, this is great. And then also, if you are not signed up for the Fetch Rewards app, oh my God, I literally just put it in my purse. Oh my God. Target's gonna think Gina's shoplifting. Anyways, if you have not downloaded the Fetch Rewards app, I'm going to have that linked below too. Oscar Mayer is a bonus brand on Fetch Rewards. You're going to earn extra points when you submit receipts with Oscar Mayer products. So you're going to get a little bit more savings submitting your receipt to Fetch Rewards. It's free. I also have a video explaining it. So if you're hesitant about it and saying, Gina, what? Free money? No, it's real, free money. And then also on sale is the Oscar Mayer turkey bacon as well. It is priced for $2.79. The regular price is $3.49. So good deal on some Oscar Mayer meats here at Target. Okay, so some of you guys had commented on my last video about different government programs, and California has something called WIC. It's Women, Infant, and Children. So when you're shopping in the stores, you'll see little symbols like this that say WIC, and this is something that you can purchase using your benefits. So I'm going to have the county linked below for the state of California. If you are looking to get benefits, just look at your state's county website to get more information. You guys, so Silk yogurts again are priced for $1.25. And there's a printable 55-cent off coupon that you can go ahead and pair here with the Silk yogurt. There may actually be an Ibotta offer as well. Also look in your refrigerated cases for this, I think it's Marquise Organic Energy. They're priced for $2.49. But check your stores. They may have some coupons right here. So it's buy one, get one free. I actually picked some up because I'm going to give it a try. On here it says 0 sugar, 0 calories, and this is the macros that are on the back. So it's 9 carbohydrates, but you subtract the 9 for the sugar alcohol, so it makes it 0. Okay, so we have a deal on the Nature's Own bread here over at Target. So it is priced for $2.79, and we have a printable $1 off one coupon at coupons.com. So it's going to drop it down to $1.79, and then there is a 55-cent cash back on Ibotta. So when you combine the coupon and the Ibotta offer, it makes it, let's see, 55. $1.24, so not a bad deal on some bread here at Target. Alrighty guys, so we have a deal on the Justin's nut butter. So this is the 12 ounce. I'm gonna go ahead and check the barcode and make sure. Yep, it is a match. Okay, so it is on sale for $6.99, and we have $1.75 cash back on Ibotta. You can do this up to 3 times, so, and it's any size. Let's see, Justin's classic peanut butter, almond butter. Okay, it excludes the classic peanut butter and the honey peanut butter. So let's get to our calculator. So $6.99 minus $1.75, you're looking to pay $5.24. The starting cost is $7.99, so a really good deal. There's also a cash back on the nut butter packets. Let me scan and check to see. Okay, so for the little individuals, there is a 50-cent cash back limit of 3. So I picked these up last week and they were really yummy. So they are priced for $1.19. You get 50-cent cash back, makes them 69 cents. So, all right, you guys, so we have a nice deal on some Hidden Valley Ranch here at Target. So they're on sale 2 for $5 or $2.50 each. And in last week's Smart Source, we got a 50-cent off 1 coupon. So it's gonna drop down to $2. So regular price is $2.99. So it's $1 savings, which is pretty good. Alrighty guys, so there is a 50% off Target Cartwheel for the 250 count of equal 0-calorie sweetener. So it is priced for $4.89, and all you need to do is add the 50% off barcode to get this for, I'm not even gonna try to do the math. Let's see, $4.89 divided by 2, $2.44. And if you guys want to find out about some more like healthy food options, make sure you are subscribed to one of my best friends, Nicole Burgess. She's been taking you guys in store and sharing with you guys healthy grocery deals. So if you want some more healthy grocery deals, then definitely go and check out Nicole. Alrighty, so I spotted a new cereal on the shelves, mermaid cereal. Alright you guys, so we have some great coffee deals here at Target this week. So the Archer Farm coffee is priced for $4.99 when you buy 2. You're going to save the $1 each when you buy 2. Another good deal is on these Starbucks bag coffees. These are priced for $5.99 when you buy 3, so regular price is $7.99. The sale is also on the Archer Farm K-Cups, so they are priced for $7.99 when you buy 2. So to get this sale price, you must buy 2. Alright you guys, so another Annie's deal you can do are on the boxed cracker snacks. So they are 2 for $4. Use that 50-cent off 2 coupons. It makes them 2 for $3.50. We also have a sale on Fiber One. So Fiber One is 2 for $5. And in our Smart Source from last week, we got a 50-cent off 2 coupons. So really good deals. I've tried these. These are fantastic. I've also tried the Fiber One protein bars, which I really like as well. I'm not doing super strict keto, but I will eat these as a treat like midday, and I've really been enjoying them. So there's only 1 gram of sugar. There's going to be more ingredients that are not keto friendly, but you know, when you're in a pinch and you want to have something quick, this is definitely better than going for, you know, the Special K pastry crisps. Alright you guys, so we have a really nice deal on some Ocean Spray pink cranberry juice. So this is priced for $2.89 here at Target. There is a 50% off Target Cartwheel, so it's going to take $1.44 off, and there is a printable $1 off 1 coupon on coupons.com. So that makes this just 44 cents. There is a ton of sugar in here, so definitely not keto friendly, but you know, if you want some Ocean Spray pink cranberry juice, 44 cents, not a bad deal. So there's another Cartwheel offer I want to go ahead and highlight for you guys before I end this video. It's on the Hearth in Hand. Where is it? So you get an additional 10% off of any Hearth in Hand clearance items. So stroll your clearances in the home decor and you may find something really good. So these are all the deals I want to share with you guys this week here at Target. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel and comment below some other Target couponers that you really enjoy. I know Natalie from Clean Cut Couponing does Target. I know that sometimes Llewellyn, Savvy Coupon Shopper, will pop in. Jen always does an Ibotta haul for Target. Also Nicole's been popping into Target. and Free Stuff Finder does her haul, but I want to know if there are any other Target couponers that I may be missing that maybe I need to check out. So comment below your favorite Target couponer so I can go ahead and check them out, and that's it. So I will talk to you guys all later. Bye.